when it rains, the weather changes and we refer to it as weather for two. And you start looking for your husband. For those that are married, either your husband or your wife, which can lead to cute babies. I tell you, if you're not ready to welcome those little cuties, use this my method to hold body. These are the ingredients I'll be using. Here I've got some dried catfish and bonga fish, my crayfish. This is Uziza seed, and here is my Crayfish. That is what we call it in Igbo. The English name is Aiden fruits, or the botanical name, which is tetraptera. And Ghanaians call it Prekese. This is my other. I'll say some things about it as we go. So this is Utazi leaf and my yellow habanero pepper, Cameroun pepper. Of course, we guys make this spicy. So we have the yam in the pot now. I've ground the Oda and the Uziza seed together. I'm adding hot water to it to help as in bring out the real thing I need from it. So I'll go ahead to sieve it so that we don't have some dirt like in the food. This Oda, Uziza seed and all that, these three combo, like these three spices, is really what we used to give, as in we use it in making pepper soup for new moms, because they are, as in they have a lot of health benefit and also help in cleansing the system, especially as a new mom. You know, all those yama that used to be there, it helps as it's very hot when you when you use it for as in yam pepper soup or just ordinary it. Oh god. And the woman, like after drinking, see her sweating and all that. So this is what I'm using to make this sumptuous yam. So I added the hiokohio also to the yam. I allow everything to boil. Now I'm adding some salt to taste. So I'm going in with the bonga fish. I didn't blend. I just used my hand to, after the bone, I used my hand to squeeze them. I crushed it with my fingers. So here is the dry catfish. I've already washed it with hot water. So we just allow everything to cook. Though the yam is halfway done, like it's almost done. Coming back to add our pepper. It's pepper soup we are making and it's raining here, so I am going to pepper it the more. Pepper them, gang. I'm adding more of the Cameroun pepper. Guys, body go believe. Guys, like one big mistake I made in making this is that I used a small pot. Like how will I have access to, you know, mingling and out? Anyway, please, when you're making yours, make it as in use a bigger pot. So it's about time to bring out the yam. Of course, we know that when you're making yam pepper soup, at a point, you know, you bring out the yam so that you now do the pepper soup anyhow you like. Please, at this point, if you are new here and you've not subscribed to this channel, please click on that subscribe button from me. I am begging you, and like this video. This yam is so sweet. Like I taste it, oh my god, it's like sugar. Thank god I followed my instinct, because as it was raining, I was just thinking about my lovely husband. I was thinking about him. He wasn't around. What would I do? Hey, I had to make this yummy yam pepper soup, and I tell you, I've forgotten about him. I don't think about him again. This pepper soup is everything like this. So I'm done removing. I am putting just this little bouillon cube. See, this pepper is already what it should be. It's very delicious, I tell you. You can skip the bouillon cube, but I just want to enjoy it, I want to feel that sweetness. So I'm adding my crayfish now. Next is the Utazi leaf, and guys, we are done. So you just have to cover, allow to simmer for 2 minutes. This pepper soup, oh good. So guys, this is the outcome of this our work. Do you know one thing? One funny thing about this is that the husband I was thinking about came back also shivering, due to cold. He was also thinking about me. But guess what? I serve am this hot pepper soup. If you say my husband dey sweat today, all the thoughts vanished. Everybody just rest. We just go rest. Please subscribe. Subscribe. No. Should I kneel down for you? Like the video. Drop your comment for me. Share it also, and expect more from this channel. I love you.